Starting a jewelry business has never been easier thanks to online platforms like Shopify. Whether you're designing custom pieces or selling ready-made collections, an online store gives you access to customers worldwide without the overhead of a physical store. The first step is choosing Shopify as your platform. Shopify offers a user-friendly interface, customizable templates, and a suite of tools for inventory management, payments, and shipping. This allows you to focus on creating beautiful jewelry while your store handles the technical side. Branding is key. Your store should reflect the style and personality of your jewelry. This includes a memorable logo, cohesive color schemes, professional product photography, and engaging product descriptions. Remember, first impressions matter, especially in the jewelry market where aesthetics are everything. Product listings should be optimized to attract both customers and search engines. Use high-quality images, descriptive titles, and detailed descriptions highlighting materials, sizes, and unique features. Incorporate keywords naturally so your store appears in search results when customers are looking for items like yours. Marketing strategies are crucial for driving traffic and generating sales. Start with social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook, which are visual by nature and perfect for showcasing jewelry. Consistent posting, influencer collaborations, and running paid ad campaigns can significantly increase visibility. Email marketing is another effective tool. Collect emails through your Shopify store and send newsletters featuring new arrivals, special offers, and promotions. Personalized emails can build customer loyalty and encourage repeat purchases. Customer experience plays a huge role in success. Offer secure payment options, easy navigation, fast shipping, and responsive customer support. Positive reviews and testimonials build trust, especially for first-time buyers shopping for jewelry online. Analyzing data from your store is essential. Shopify provides insights into traffic, sales, and customer behavior. Use this data to understand which products are popular, where your traffic is coming from, and which marketing campaigns are most effective. Continuous optimization ensures growth and profitability. Launching a jewelry business on Shopify combines creativity with strategy. From branding and product listings to marketing and customer service, each step contributes to building a successful online store. Invest in your vision, use the tools available, and focus on delivering value and elegance to your customers. A well-executed Shopify store can turn your jewelry passion into a thriving business.